Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Miami is a city of high energy and beautiful views, but beneath the neon lights lies a predatory side that every traveler needs to be wary of: the parking and towing industry. My experience at the local hotel serves as a textbook example of what can only be described as a coordinated ripoff. It started simple enough. The hotel I was checking into advertised a special rate for guests at the parking lot immediately adjacent to the building. On paper, it sounded convenient. However, the moment I approached the parking meter, the red flags started appearing. The advertised hotel special was nowhere to be found on the screen. Instead, the machine was demanding a staggering $100 per day. To put that in perspective, a major secured parking garage just 300 meters down the road was charging a reasonable $20 per night. I did what any sensible traveler would do. I left the car for a moment and stepped in the hotel lobby to ask the reception desk how to claim the discount rates they had advertised. As I walked in, I even passed a woman sitting on the hotel furniture at the front. I gave her a polite smile, having no idea she was actually a tow truck driver waiting like a vulture for the next meal. The entire conversation at the front desk took less than 5 minutes, but in that tiny window of time, the trap was sprung. By the time I walked back outside, my car was gone. It had been snatched and towed to a lot 2 kilometers away in a move that was clearly coordinated. The hotel staff member I spoke with, who seemed completely unfazed and arguably under the influence, immediately called up the towing company's number on speed dial. That's when the reality of the scam hit home. The tow truck drivers, the parking lot owners, and potentially even the hotel staff seem to be running a joint operation. The cost to release my car, a breathtaking $600 US. When I protested, the staff's only advice was that I could contest it in court and likely win. But they know the math. Most tourists aren't in Miami long enough to show up for a court date weeks away. They rely on the fact that you'll pay the ransom just to get your life back on track. This wasn't just a parking violation. It was a highly efficient, predatory system designed to exploit the very people bringing tourism dollars to the city. If you're driving in Miami, don't trust the hotel specials. Check the local garages first, or you might find yourself $600 lighter before you've even unpacked your bags.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.